How to add or change birthday on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to One Click Finance. I've got another REDnote app tutorial video today. I will be showing you guys how to easily add or update your birthday on the REDnote app. Whether you want to update it or whether you have entered the wrong date, you just have to follow these simple steps to change your birthday. So the first thing you need to do is open up the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you are logged in, all you need to do is access your profile page. So just tap on this Me tab at the bottom right. And once you get to your profile section, all you need to do now is edit your profile by tapping on this button right here. And once you get to your profile edit, you will just have to scroll down a bit and here you'll see birth date. So if you have previously not entered any date, you'll have an option to choose, or if you just want to update it, just tap on it. And all you need to do now is set your birth date like this and then tap on save. So once you do that, it will show you your age, and if you want to publicly display it, just toggle this on and you're good to go. So if you want to update it, just tap on it, tap on birth date again, and then update it from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.